A message to the viewer. Warning. This video contains clips of pyrotechnic devices that can emit flashing lights, and may not be suitable for those with photosensitive epilepsy. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey guys, so today I have some rockets here, and these are actually pretty small. This is the night mission rocket assortment, I would say, from Snakebite Fireworks. I'm not sure if these actually have reports because it says flammable rocket, but it does not say report. So they might just be little stars that pop out the top or something like that. But yeah, there's not really much to this labeling. It's just night mission rocket and the warning label there. But yeah, we got 4 of each color, which is orange, green, and red for whatever reason. I'm gonna assume these are like yellow stars and then green stars and red stars or something like that. So they're not super interesting, but I'm curious to see what they do. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got in here. I'm actually gonna do these in a specific order. I'm gonna do one yellow one, then do a green one, red one, and then do 2 of the colors, and then finish off with the last one of each at the same time. Not really expecting a whole lot from these, but I'm just curious to see what they'll do. If I can get them out of here, that's my question. So yeah, not too special. They're pretty small. Probably just like any other bottle rocket, honestly. The wax papers on there are pretty tight, actually. Let's go ahead and look at a green one. Shouldn't be any different, just a different color, I guess. That one's gonna spin. It's kind of angled. Look at that. Yeah, that's definitely gonna spin. And then a red one. Oh, it's got some purple on there. The word isn't purple. So maybe it's purple. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, those should be pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and see what they do. All right, here goes the orange one. I don't know if you guys heard that noise, but that was a bunch of fish that jumped out of the water because of the rocket. See, the green one. That was cool. All right, now here goes the red one. Oh, that was cool. All right, now here goes 2 of the orange ones. Nice. 2 green. Nice. And 2 red ones. All right, here goes all of them. Well, the whistle one didn't work. We had a Cato there. Alright, here goes the orange one.
Did you hear that? I did. You know what that was? The fucking fish saw that. That was a bunch of fish fucking. That was a bunch of fucking fish. Wow. Asian carp. Yeah. It disturbed them or set them off or something.
Do another one of those, buddy.
I remember one night Julian was out here and he had that laser, that green laser thing, and he pointed it at the water and it made a bunch of fish jump.
Really?
Yeah.
That was cool. Oh, that was cool. Nice.
Lights are out everywhere now.
Well, the whistle one didn't work. Yeah, these rockets are actually not too bad. They got a little variety of effects, and they're color-coded, obviously. But I do like the crackle and the whistle ones, and then you got the normal colorful star ones. Those are pretty nice, actually. Although I was actually expecting these to be just colors, like most rocket kits that you can find these days, these small rockets. So yeah, these are actually pretty unique, so I definitely like them. But yeah, only thing I would really change about this, in my opinion, is maybe add another different type of effect, maybe like a willow type of star or something in the other rockets or something like that. That's my only suggestion. That'd be kind of cool though. But yeah, these are really nice. I definitely recommend them. Night Mission Rocket by Snakebite Fireworks. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time with another video.